You, I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it would be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Are on a mission to find some cannolis.
Yes.
And we have not been successful so far. But if we find some, we'll let you know.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway. that's a cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights up, dive with my own doubts. Be free.
We don't know what we're doing. We're just trying to get up to Mount Vesuvius.
We just hopped on a bus.
we
in Georgia.
We literally have no idea what's going on. But we're gonna go up to the volcano. We're in Torre del Greco right now. I feel like I haven't done a lot of talking, like vlog updates on this trip, so I'm going to try and talk a little bit more. I'll talk about yesterday. Yesterday we woke up really early. We left our Airbnb at like 7 in Rome to catch our train. It was like 8:30. And it took us a few hours to get here, and we got here at like 11:30. And our Airbnb host is so awesome. Like, he's literally the best guy ever. And our Airbnb is also so awesome. Like, it's probably the best Airbnb I've ever stayed at. So we knew we wanted to go climb Mount Vesuvius, and we didn't really know how we were going to get there. So we had no plan. We decided to walk to a bus stop, and we waited for the bus for like a few minutes, and then this bus came by. Turns out it wasn't actually like the regular city bus that was driving by that we thought we were getting on. It was a tour bus, and he stopped and looked at us like we were crazy. But he went, "Vesuvio?" And we were like, "Yeah." And so he's like, come on. So we like got on this bus, and he just started driving, and we didn't even pay or anything. So we're just on this bus. We had no idea what we were doing. He stopped like halfway up the mountain to give us, like, to sell us some tickets. We got up to where the buses stopped. So he said we meet back in that spot to come back. So then we bought tickets, and we hiked all the way up to the top. And then after that, coming back, we thought that the bus driver, it was a different guy. We thought that he would stop in Torre del Greco. Well, it turns out he drove us all the way to Pompeii and told us we could catch the train from Pompeii to Torre del Greco. So it was a very long journey back, especially because our bus driver wouldn't leave until another bus came to get the rest of the people at the top of the mountain, because there was not enough room on the bus. So we waited on the bus for like an hour before we left. Then we left. We ended up in Pompeii. We had to buy train tickets. We're taking today slow. Every day has been like fast paced. Every day has been just like get up and go. So we're taking today slow, enjoying the sun, and enjoying our awesome view. It's so crazy. This Airbnb is so beautiful. Definitely would recommend it. day today, and we decided to take an impromptu trip to Sorrento.
I can help you out.
She got some limoncello. Limoncello.
It tastes like just straight up shots.
It does. Just lemon shots. It's